Hello guys, welcome back to the Python Crash Course. In this quick video, we'll focus on a crucial topic, how to name variables correctly in Python. While this might seem simple, following proper rules and best practices will help you to write clean, error-free code. So let's dive in. So let's see some of the rules for naming variables. So variable names can contain letters, either uppercase or lowercase, and it can contain digits starting from 0 to 9. And only one special symbol is allowed, which is underscore. So let's see some examples. Age, name, salary, my underscore country, num1, string1. Apart from this, there are also some things not to be used as part of variable name declarations. So which are, it should not start with digit. Num1 is fine, but one num is not fine. So starting with the digit is not a correct one, and it should not be having any keywords like for, if, else, for equal to 1 to 3, wrong, if equal to hello, wrong. So let's also see some of the best practices, the way how we are supposed to create the variable names. So we can go for camel case. So camel case is nothing but when we have multiple words in our variable name. So we can distinguish that into two parts. So lower camel case as well as upper camel case. Let's take the example of my country. So as you see on the left side, my underscore country we have written. Instead using underscore, we can go ahead with camel case. So if I take the example of my country with lower camel case, the first word, first letter would be small, and in the remaining words, first letter would be capital. When it goes to upper camel case, in each and every word, the first letter would be capital. So in this way, we can use camel casing. So mostly camel casing, lower camel casing can be used for variable names, functions, etc., etc. But capital camel casing can be used for class names when we go for object oriented programming. And also I would suggest you to give some meaningful variable names instead giving the variable names like a b c d. So give some good variable names like age, user id, username, etc. That's all for this video guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.